Hey everyone, welcome to Black Matrix. In this video, I'll show you how to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram profile. If your account is currently set as a professional account, you'll notice a section called Professional Dashboard on your profile page. From there, tap the menu icon in the top right corner of your screen. Next, scroll through the menu and look for the section labeled For Professionals. Tap on it and then select Creator Tools and Controls. Now scroll all the way down until you find the option Switch Account Type. Tap on this and you'll see the choices to switch to either a personal or business account. At this point, select Switch to Personal Account. Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice. Just tap Switch to Personal Account again, and you're done. Finally, head back to your profile page. You'll notice that the Professional Dashboard section is no longer there. This means you've successfully switched to a personal account. And that's it. That's how to switch to a personal account on Instagram. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.